It is the Earth story of Johnny the baby, a little boy named Johnny, sweet as candy, brought to life by the Earth's loving spree. Clouds dance gently above his tiny head, dreams of adventure as he lay in his bed. Earth whispered softly, my child, you'll grow, flowers will bloom everywhere you go. Gardens of green, lush and bright, held his laughter in the morning light. Ice-capped mountains and rivers wide, journeys away on the Earth's gentle tide. Kites in the sky taught him to play, lakes sparkled beneath the golden ray. Moonlit nights brought stories galore, nature sang songs he'd always adored. Oceans waved hello with their frothy hands, paths led to forests or magical lands. Quiet moments under the starry dome, rainbows welcomed Johnny back home. Sun kissed his cheeks as he ran free, trees swayed to his melody. United with earth, he felt so complete. Vast was its love, its rhythm, its beat. Winds carried whispers of wisdom untold, xylophones of nature play tales of old. Yearning to explore, Johnny kept pace, zealous to cherish this beautiful place. So Johnny the baby, as Earth's story goes, found wonder and love wherever life flows.
Like, share and subscribe.